LilyAna Naturals Retinol Cream Moisturizer 1.7 Oz. Worried about retin, drying out your facial skin? Our advanced, anti-aging formula is designed for daily use, day and night with maximum prescription strength effectiveness without flaking, peeling or dry skin. Loaded with the best organic ingredients for your face such as hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, green tea, shea butter and jojoba oil. For men and women and all skin types. You'll see results. Our premium, high-potency lotion will produce visible changes with fine lines and wrinkles. Fade sun damage, spots, acne scars and stretch marks. Improve uneven tone, skin texture and overall appearance. Repair, improve, and restore life back into your skin, revealing your true beauty. No oily residue left behind. Our creme quickly absorbs without a heavy or sticky feel. Gentle enough for sensitive skin and to use around your eye area, helping with dark circles, milia and under eye bags. Use on hands and neck for firming and crepe skin. Works great for blemish-prone areas. Won't clog pores, cause breakouts, blackheads, pimples or irritate. Helps with uneven skin tone, fade scars and dark spots, and even stretch marks. Light, pleasant smell. Contains no artificial fragrances added and no parabens. Gluten-free and not tested on animals.